Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech IT Insights. Today I would like to explain the order management functionality, how order management will works and why order management very powerful in CRM. So we'll go into in I'm going to split it in order management three parts. So first I'm going to tell that how the what code to order to asset, and asset to how the quote and order will get processed. So, well, before going to here, Siebel offers a powerful order management capacity, which has capability of order management. Will explore the real depth of the order legacy in the telecom domain in order management. So here the powerful of the end-to-end order processing in CRM is the best in order to framework wise in the very best in CRM. So this is only include the creation of the orders and but also customize the order line times and code to order, how get process the order fulfillment. Then we'll in depth in order we'll understand here how the main how does order get processed. So most of the who are new to Siebel. So very high levelly, I'm going to tell, and at the same time, I'm going to cover the few basic workflows which are going to cover in order management. I'm going to explore here. So I split it, as I said, three parts. The first part I am going to explain here. So which is code to order. So in that, I'm going to add the signal management also, signals and variable map upcoming videos. Now here, how code to order and order to asset, how it is going to process, what are the workflows are going to involve here, we're going to discuss in a high level manner as well as in workflow steps also. How order get processed here? There are main three entities are involved: quote, order, and asset. So asset-based ordering will be the major established entire process where quote to order how and then represent the fulfillment of the part of the order. So we'll see in the in-depth knowledge here. So when first entity will come to the quote, whereas quote entities level there is a quote line terms, whereas customized button is be there and verify and submit and auto order will be there. So one of the customization button which is called is common vanilla workflow, that is SysOM edit delta code line terms. This workflow allow user to edit the code line terms of the overall quotation from the result, which is like provide, whereas provide modify the and the existing service line terms, which consists the this process. Here the main workflow steps will get resolved. Reset PMT cache services, which is CSOM PMT services, is one of the powerful business service. Next video, I'm going to explore the more about the. I'm going to explain for the more SSO PMT sir how it going to works. What are the business service methods is there? In depth knowledge I will give the next video. So here you can see this is mostly SysOMT business service methods will get called. One is reset, and then method called is find orders, which is open orders or any edit which is there that will give the validation point of view. It will get called and apply. So the open orders will what are the apply the changes. What are you selected done button? Then those are get apply here. Then that reconfigured product instances will get open and get the product instances get open, and then after that you are selecting, then synchronization will happen and refresh that view and it will get the services. Now you see the next slides how it will be. Next, after clicking the on, agent will click the uh, auto order. That order will get from whatever the quote is there, that will get copied in the order. This workflow will get called, that is called SysOM code to order workflow. That PM, this is auto order button level, it get called. Here the method get convert to product instances, and then a PMT explore, the step is called as explore, and synchronization will get called here. And here this whatever the current instances what is there in quote line terms or that get copied into converted to the as a order. Next, here we'll see the order to asset. Before the order to asset happening, I want to tell the more first of the how what is there in the order level and order. Once you there are some of the projects are there is no code functionality, they are directly ordered to asset pro is there. Whenever the account creation, after that account contact creation, some of the projects are directly they have an order to asset. So some of them are code to order and asset. So some based on the how you depends on the project how they have designed their product. See, you can see this order to asset. There are when you mainly some of the workflows will get called here order items level customization. So customization button, which is against the order, which is complex product, invoke the workflow here. So that is called workflow as SysOM edit service items. The flow diagram you can understand here. The even items level screenshot which I explored marked as red customization. In this customization button will get called workflow. You can see the SysOM edit service item will get called here. In this is a very powerful workflow where a customization button and e-config get open here once you do the customization. In this workflow there are this reset the PMT cache, it will get called whatever the cache you get load that will be resetted, and it find that set the product whatever the instances are there that will get loaded, and then those are get any open orders is there that will check in open order also. Then set the product instances to whatever the product is existing level wherever you selected e-configurator level, those are get loaded, and then you can see the reconfigured product instances will get loaded here. Then set that whatever the this set product instances will method will get called TV services, and synchronization will happen when the explore that delta operation will get performed. So here the mainly how mainly it will work Siebel delta action codes. So the Siebel delta action code, as we know that add, delete, hyphen, and those are delta action code mainly. So now let's go for the how in the submission level. So once your agent will go into customize, he will click done button. Then he will come to SysOM edit line terms level. After that, he will come to SysOM submit order process. Here, SysOM submit order will get called here. How the order will process here? SysOM submission will be a this method got called set set li account instances whatever it get called, and then order to any services when if you see this auto whatever I selected order that has to create a billing account and service account, those this step will get called SysOMT set services. Then you can see the one of the powerful the once the agent is well customized after selection product and he will validate the order, then he will has option has cancel, and he can able to cancel the order as well as he can able to submit the proceed. Once the validation is done, verify is done, then he will do submit order. So in submit order workflow, SysOM billing submission order workflow web service will get called. This is the powerful vanilla web service will get called here. So you can see the as picture I mentioned here, submit button is there, and once he submitted, the behind this submit order workflow will get called. In this SysOM billing submission, there are those are SysOM PMT services business services called. One is called as submit request business service, that server request business service whereas then order will get synced into the we are most of the projects are they are using JMS, some of them JMS. If it is this is asynchronization flow will get called. So once your bulk order gets submitted or normal submission order also, order once the order submitted, that will go to the queue, and then those queues get processed here. But here see the mainly SysOM PMT service, then you can see this set query the complete order items code everything, the load of the Siebel instances, query the order, then this CMU external integration IV services will get passed to the uh, business service, and then set the attribute messages. And we want to write the Siebel message. We can write the Siebel message, submit order logs. We can get trace here. Then here the main, you can see the SWA submit order, and then method called is process. Then there is a steps called as submit order workspace step. Here you can see the submit order will get submitted. Then this order will go to the downstream system. Then we'll see this more. Then once the order is submitted, there are depends on projects. Middleware, some of the projects are Oracle AEA, some of the projects are TIPCO system. So depends on the projects, they will order will get submitted through middleware system. If the middleware is submitted, then there are, if you talk about, let's say example, how order get processed from the end to end, we'll see this diagrammatical. So the process, see, order will get submitted, and then order to AEA middleware, and then from fulfillment process will process, and then this if you has queue based, then queue will get pick that order and then submitted to the AEA. Here here fulfillment order fulfillment process will go here, and it will go to the billing system. What are the operation it has to perform, and order sales perform will perform here. Then after that it will go to the OSM, and OSM will has fulfilled that, and then the OSM will deliver to the network system, and then these are the, once this fulfillment is done, then order response will come. We'll see this next slide, next video. I'm going to explore the SysOMT series, how it will works. You can see the diagram as sequence diagram. Just to submit order submitted to middleware, and there is a, this diagram will understand that order submission to middleware. And now next upcoming video, I'm going to explain how CRM inbound will get called, how assertization will happen, and in next video I'm going to explore. I'm going to explain for you guys. Mm, you can see the upcoming video SysOMT service, how it works, and how order will get how order items or attributes order header will get assertized in the upcoming video. So thank you guys watching my channel, and thank you guys.